Hello everyone! Today we're going to continue with vacuum cupping. And today we're going to rejuvenate the neckline and neck. And for that you're going to need just your face oil and vacuum cups. But first start off by cleansing your skin. And after that, gently boost your lymphatic nodes. Placing your fingers right above your collarbones, breathing in, and while breathing out, tap your fingers deeper into the skin. Apply your favorite face oil on your neck and neckline. Starting off by grabbing a bigger cup. We are going to work on one of the longest muscles on your neck. It starts right here at the bottom and goes all the way up, right behind your ear. Clamp the cup on the muscle, stay in this position for 1 to 2 seconds, release, and continue in the same way, moving up along the muscle. And repeat it again. Same thing on the other side. After that, clamp the cup right at the bottom of the muscle and move upwards. Then slide the cup down along the side of your neck, towards the lymphatic nodes. In order to be able to tackle the side of your neck at the best, you should slide the cup upwards 5 times. And 5 times downwards along the direction of the lymphatic flow. And now moving on to the neckline. We're going to work through the whole area of the neckline in a static vacuum. For that, clamp the cup for 1 to 2 seconds and then release. In this way, you will improve blood circulation. The next exercise is going to help you fight the wrinkles on the neckline. You should clamp the cup in the middle of your chest and slide it to the side. and upwards. And now we're going to cover a bigger surface of the neckline area, sliding the cup from the center towards your armpits. Upwards towards your collarbones. And to the other armpit. After being done with this massage, it's important to cleanse your skin from any excessive oils. If you don't have a vacuum cup yet, I can suggest you a great alternative. It is a pinching massage technique. You should do pinching motions all over your neckline area, but do them on the dry skin without using any oil. Till your skin gets slightly red. This technique helps bringing nutrients to the skin by improving the capillary nutrition. I also want to emphasize on the fact that usefulness of our neck and neckline does not only depend on the state of our skin, but also on the state of the platysma muscle. And for that I have a special video on my channel, so you should check it out. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to be the first one to see our new video.